You ready, bro?
Yeah.
Is it on? Got our first service call. Got us here a Kenmore Elite, and it's making a little noise. So we're going to take the cover off. I think I know what it is. I think it might be bad rollers, but we're going to check it out. Come on, Al. All right, so this is what we got. This is a Kenmore Elite. Now, I didn't know this, so I had to look it up. But Kenmore used a bunch of different companies forever to make their product, and then they would just brand it at Sears, back when Sears was a thing. So looky here, Al, how you can tell. Oh, where the hell is it here? Model number. Look how freaking small it is. What's that say, buddy? I can't see it.
I can't see it.
I can't see it. 796. Now I looked that up. This is an LG. So we got roller kit and belt and stuff for an LG. So let's take the front cover off, and we better unplug it first so we don't get lit.
Yes.
And then see what we can do. Right, buddy?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. All right, let me pull it away from the wall. What do you say, Al?
I say you should pull it away from the
I'm
wall.
gonna pull away from the wall. That's what I'm gonna do. We gotta do it in such a way that we don't dick up this dryer vent, though. We don't want to dick that up. We didn't bring enough duct tape. All right, let's shut her off. And then we'll unplug it. There we go. There. Now we won't get lit. That's what. We only get lit on the weekend, right, buddy? All right, let me switch the camera, Al. I need you to go up there and disconnect the dryer vent out of back.
Me?
Yes. Or is there a clamp?
It slips right off.
Oh, perfect. All right. Okay, now. Oh, look at the kitty. Zach, what's the kitty's name?
Her name's Jenny.
Jenny? Jenny from the block?
Well, because I was watching Forrest Gump tonight.
Look at her. Socks and sandals. Socks and sandals.
Absolutely.
There we go. See, this is different than a frickin' Maytag, I'll tell you what. It's, here we go. Right, Al?
Yep.
Way different than a Maytag. This is a LG. This is an OG LG.
Lift it off.
Lift it up, Chuck. Al, you want a kneelie pad?
No.
I brought an
Are
extra
you
one.
saying you want me to kneel?
No, I'm just saying. I brought an extra one.
Hand it over.
Hand it over, Rover. Here.
I'm there to see what's inside this dryer.
I wouldn't worry about it. Oh, wait, 4. They said 4.
We're not reading?
They said 2 or 4. There it is.
Switch.
Yeah, the switch we'll pull it away and then we'll look here. How is that? Has it got a little Molex deal here? How's that? Oh,
Easy enough.
sick. Now we're getting into meat and potatoes. Oh God, that door's heavy.
Watch the door.
The door's heavy. All right, we'll set that guy here. All right, what are we looking at here? What are we looking at? Now we gotta take this off so we can get the front drum thing off. Oh, it's got a light. Nice, this is a fancy one. 1 roller, 2 roller, and then there should be 2 more in the back.
Oh my God, how are we gonna get back there?
Well, from the cover, the drums comes out. That's what we're getting to. So we got that light harness. We gotta take these off. Dude, there's like a lot of screws here. Okay, now this should come up, off. Oh, another little switch there.
More switches.
Yeah.
What do you think is bad as this?
Yeah, these rollers. They're out around. That's what I think it is. Oh, there we go. We'll clean this out later here. Okay, drum's coming out. The felt seal's on the drum on this one. Interesting. On a Maytag, it's on the rim thing. And the motor belt is in the middle.
Can't see, Dad.
Yeah, look in there. There's the motor pulley. Can you see that? There it is. Idler. There we go. Boom. That's off. Oh. What do you think?
I think it's a drum.
I think it's a drum. Oh yeah, baby. Well, we got you a whole tune-up kit is what we got. Take the, yeah, if you don't mind getting that out of there. All right, let's check these rollers. You think that one's bad? Look at that, Al.
Oh my god.
I think the bushing's gone. A little bad. That one's not terrible. That was the culprit right there. So we found, that right there was the money shot. You'll understand that reference later, son. Look at all the bearing. Look at all that bearing material. Look at that. That shiny.
I got that vacuum behind you.
Oh,
Nope.
Behind
I
you.
can't.
Other way.
I can't turn them too fat. Does it have like a suck stick?
Yeah. The bottom comes off.
Oh yeah, we'll just do that then. Yeah, let's get this all cleaned up, and then we'll throw these rollers on there, and the new belt, and the new tensioner, and then, dude, it's gonna be cherry. I can guarantee it. Almost guarantee it. But oh, look at there, huh?
Look at
Just
that.
undo them. Just undo them. Look at it. Look at there. Huh?
That's perfect.
Perfect. That's gonna be, dude. This is gonna be so cherry when we're done.
Dad's gonna want it.
Yeah. No, it's not a Maytag. No offense. All right, we're gonna hit the vacuum on this, and we'll be back.
Action.
All right, we're back. So we're gonna throw these back rollers on real quick. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, here we go. Going in, Al. Oh. Let's get in here, Al. All right, I got it.
You got it?
Yep. Oh, there's a... Give it to me. Here we go. Okay. You think that effort shot? Oh, here we go. This one came off a lot easier, buddy. You know why? Because it didn't get so hot. That other one with the bad bearing, that effer got hot. Oh, that's going to be cherry, dude. It's going to be cherry. This fucking thing, you can put 10 comforters in this bitch and it won't make a sound.
Gotta get under there, Dad.
I know, buddy. My pants are falling down, though.
Yeah, what are you being a plumber soon?
I guess. Let's go! Oh, yeah, baby. Oh!
Shit out.
Oh, look out! Oh. Oh. What do you want to bet that's cherry?
It already
You
is.
just spin it?
Yeah.
I didn't even hear it.
Yeah, exactly. That's how it should be, right? All right, these would be easy, though, because look at here. Boom. They're right there. Oh, look at the fur on that. That's what he said.
Action.
Action. All right, got the rollers change out. We're getting ready to route this belt. This is not a Maytag belt. It's only like 4 ribs. Look at it. It's like 1/4 inch wide. Oh, shit. What was that, Al?
God dang.
What was that? Anyway, well, let's feed it over the drum. Zach, you want to hand me that drum? We'll put it over here. What's in there? Oh, that piece. You got her blow it out?
Yeah.
Which way was front?
I'm assuming where the numbers are.
Oh yeah, baby.
You need to lift that up.
I think.
Or open this up a little bit more.
Yeah. There we go. Look how cherry that. You can let her down now. Oh. All right, now you got to get her on the hoopty hoop.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, wow.
Is
How's
it-
it going?
Oh, it's going. We got this. We got this thing. What do you think, Al? We got
The belt?
this the belt.
Old belt.
I'm gonna turn here.
Yeah, that was filled up.
Ribbed for her pleasure. Right, Al?
Why do you got the light here?
Well, I can't because I can't see what the hell I'm doing, but I think this is like twisting.
Jody, do you remember picking up this dryer?
You know what? Zach was talking about that, and I do not.
Yeah, we picked it up in Byron.
We did? Oh, in Nordic Woods?
Yeah,
I do remember that now.
$50.
Yes, I do remember that. That was money well spent because it's been a good dryer.
Yeah. Do you think this will fix it?
Oh, I know it'll fix it.
Oh, perfect. Alex, let me see your hat.
Maytag.
It's doing good now, right, Al? It went back normal?
I can't tell. I can't see. Oh, up here? Up top looks okay.
It looks good on top.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. This
Can you
way.
look at it? Just so. Plug it in.
Boom.
Even my hands are dirty.
Yeah, that's great.
Where, does it, how does that go?
This goes on
Oh.
here, and then it goes up and hangs on there. What do you think? Huh?
What did you do with the camera?
Boom. Okay, now,
It's
watch out for that, Melissa.
What?
Watch out for
Oh,
that.
I see. Jenny, what are they doing here?
Let me see.
Are they strangers in the house?
Yep.
So what do the wheels look like then?
They look like rollerblade wheels. If you can believe that.
Really?
Yes.
Where's the bad one?
Yeah, sure, the bad one. Oh, it's just totally wore out. Where'd it go, Al?
This one.
I'm supposed to do that.
Here's the normal one.
It's supposed to be tight and right.
Interesting.
Bang, 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 bang. Look at this filter, though. That's a hog-ass filter, isn't it, Al?
The Maytag has got the weird one.
Yeah. Okay, so this is door switch.
Door's heavy, Dad.
Door is heavy. The door is closed now. Something or something. All right, so this fits. Oh, I see. See, it fits in these little
Do we really even need to unscrew that?
square things.
Because
No,
it just.
fits there like that. Oh, yeah, right. And it goes up here like this. And it fits on there like that. We got to
the
hook the
clips.
Yeah, and we gotta hook the door switch back up. Right? And then we got those 4 screws there. Oh, dude.
Gonna be cherry.
Yeah.
Action.
Okay, we're back. This thing's fully put back together, so prepare to be amazed. Ready?
Yes.
Yes. Contact.
So quiet though.
Am I right or am I right?
Yay.
All right, another successful repair by my son Alex and myself. And hopefully you enjoyed this. Helped out good friends of ours. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a load of laundry and have a couple beers, and maybe we'll see you down the road. Cut.